Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can recover already deleted files you have moved to the trash folder in Microsoft OneDrive. So let us get started. So head over to your account on OneDrive, navigate to the Files tab here in the top left, and let me navigate to the My Files section and delete the file for the sake of this tutorial, like this example here. Click into delete, and let's assume you did that accidentally. As you can see, there's no undo button. So to recover these files, guys, you will need to navigate to the trash folder here to the left where it says recycle bin. Refresh the page if needed, if you don't see the given file. And after that, simply highlight it or mark it here on the left-hand side with that circle. And instead of clicking into delete, select restore, and that is going to move the given file back to its original location inside your OneDrive library. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.